You okay?
Yeah, all good. Great.
You know,
What?
my roommate's going out of town tomorrow, so if we want to come back here after Erlich's party.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. That sounds good to me.
All right, it's a date.
See you then.
Richard, what's wrong?
Nothing. Nothing. Literally, it's all good. Come on.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Your roommates were right. You really hate spaces.
No. I don't. It's not hate. Hate's a strong word. Truth be told, I do have a slight preference for tabs, but that's only because I'm anal and because I prefer precision.
Well, not to pick a fight here, but if you really care about precision, wouldn't you use spaces? But whatever. Once it goes through the compiler, it's the same thing, right?
Yeah, technically, yes. I guess I just don't understand why anyone would use spaces over tabs. Like, if it's all the same, well, why not just use tabs?
Because it could look different on other people's computers.
Tabs create smaller file sizes, all right? I run a compression company. Trust me, I've devoted my life to minimalizing file sizes. It's what I do. I mean, I do not get why anyone would use spaces over tabs. I mean, why not just use Vim over Emacs?
I do use Vim over Emacs.
Oh, God help us. Okay, you know what? I don't think this is gonna work. I'm so sorry. I mean, like, what? We're gonna bring kids into this world with that over the heads? That's not really fair to them, don't you think?
Kids? We haven't even slept together.
And guess what? It's never gonna happen now because there's no way I'm gonna be with someone who uses spaces over tabs.
Richard!
Wow, okay. Goodbye. One tab saves you 8 spaces.
Oh my God. Richard, what happened?
I just tried to go down the stairs 8 steps at a time. I'm okay, though.
See you around, Richard.
Just making a point.